Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of waiting forever for your food to cook, only to end up with a mediocre result? Well, I've got some good news for you. The Nuwave Bravo Pro Convection Air Fryer Toaster is about to change the game. This powerful appliance is not just a toaster oven, but a 10-in-1 cooking machine that's going to make your cooking experience faster, easier, and more delicious. With its 10 pre-programmed presets, you can air fry, roast, bake, and even make pizzas with ease, and the best part is, it's incredibly easy to use. The new digital display is intuitive and user-friendly, making it a breeze to navigate through the different functions. The high-speed fan is a total game-changer, delivering speeds that are 100% faster than before, resulting in irresistibly crisp, golden brown food that's sure to impress. And with the multi-layer even cooking feature, you can cook multiple layers of food at once, saving you time and energy. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among home cooks. I've used the Nuwave Bravo Pro to make everything from crispy fries to perfectly cooked steaks, and the results have been consistently amazing. The texture of the food is always spot on, and the fact that it cooks so quickly means you can have a healthy and delicious meal on the table in no time. Whether you're a busy professional or an avid home cook, this product is a must-have. It's perfect for weeknight dinners, weekend brunches, or even just a quick snack. So why settle for a mediocre cooking experience when you can have a lightning-fast, premium, and powerful one with the Nuwave Bravo Pro Convection Air Fryer Toaster? It's definitely worth considering. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.